In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change the font on TikTok so that you can get a custom font for your name. Okay, so to make this work, all you need to do is go to a browser on your phone. In this case, I'm going to go to Google Chrome, and then you want to go to this website. It's lingojam.com, and I'll link it in the description so you can go ahead and tap on that. And then you just want to scroll down until you see Fancy Text Generator. Tap on that, and then you want to type in your text. So in this case, I'm going to type in my username. So I've typed in my normal text, and then you can see you have a couple of options to choose from. And I'm just going to select the one at the top there, so I long hold on that. Then I can go ahead and copy that, tap on copy, and then I want to go back to TikTok and then tap on edit profile and then tap on name at the top. And I can go ahead and now paste in that font that I just copied. Tap on paste, and then I just tap on save. As you can see, the font has changed. If I tap on save and then I go back, you can see at the top of the screen the font of my name has changed. So that is how you change the font on TikTok in order to get a custom name. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.